Who would have thought na makakakain ako ng napakasarap na kare-kare sa Army Navy? Medyo late ko na natikman to pero for those who don't know, nag-release ng kare-kare burrito version ang Army Navy. And they did it so well kasi sobrang nasarapan talaga ako. I ordered the naked burrito, now I want to try yung may wrap. Minsan lang ako masarapan sa lechong kawali. Kasi medyo iniiwasan ko yung mga makasalanan na food. Pero ito, grabe. Ang crunchy and hindi ko masyado na-feel yung pagka-oily niya. Listen to the crunch. Wala pa akong mic dito ha, pero rinig na rinig yung pagka-crunchy. Siyempre, I enjoy this with the Freedom Fries and Liberty Iced Tea. Aside from the bagnet, kumpleto rin sa vegetables ng kare-kare, may crispy talong, pechay ata to, may sitaw. And since fusion siya ng burrito, may crispy tortilla, tomatoes, onions, beans, and my favorite, cilantro. The combination really works for me. Nakaseparate yung kare-kare sauce and bagoong when you order. Look at this luscious kare-kare sauce. Perfect yung thickness niya for me and yung lasa. Balance lahat ng flavors. Nakuha nila yung gusto ko sa kare-kare. And their bagoong is good. Medyo kalasa niya yung kabalin bagoong for me. It's a little expensive but this order pwedeng 1 to 2 persons. Pero ang takaw ko, naubos ko tong isang order na to. Kayo ba, na-try nyo na itong kare-kare burrito ng Army Navy? What's your verdict?